Hi students, we are beginning with class 9th history and civics. So this is the front cover of your textbook, that is Total History and Civics, published by Morningstar. Hope that all will follow the same textbook. Please follow the updated version because there can be some changes in the textbook. If you don't have the textbook, please follow the video because detailed description is given here in the video. You can follow this one. Okay, so we are starting with the first chapter, that is Harappan civilization. So what is a civilization? A civilization is known as the advanced stage of human cultural development, is known as the civilization. What traits should it have to be called as a civilization? What traits should it have? It should have evolution of cities. There should be cities should be there. Surplus of food. Surplus of food means the human began to produce food. That means they started cultivation. Division of labor, system of writing, public building, development of technology. When all these combined together with the human life, that is known as the civilization. When all these traits, all these specialities combined together and in human life, it began to be known as civilization. I think the point is clear. Okay. Then in next point we will see what is Bronze Age civilization. Civilization, at this stage humans began to use what? Metals instead of stones. At the beginning they were using implements made of stone, but in this stage they used copper. Metals they began to use. Okay, so this period when they began to use copper and stone together, that age is known as Chalcolithic age. Okay, that age is known as Chalcolithic age. At the same time, to have more hardness, they combined copper, tin or zinc together and they made bronze. So this age is known as Bronze Age or Bronze Age civilization. When they began to use bronze metal to make implements and tools, so that age is known as Bronze Age. So there are three main Bronze Age civilizations are there. One is Harappa, other one is Mesopotamian, other one is Chinese, next one is Egyptian civilization. What are the four Bronze Age civilization? One is Harappa, Mesopotamian, Chinese and Egyptian. So in this chapter we will mainly dealing with the Harappan civilization. Hope that it is clear. Okay. So we are beginning the chapter, the Harappan civilization. This is known as, it has two names. One is Harappan and another one is Indus Valley civilization. Okay, it has two names. One is Harappan, another one is Indus Valley civilization. History of India began with the advent. We believe that our history of India began with the advent, the coming of Aryans to India. Okay, so here comes an important word, culture. What is the way of living? The way of living is known as culture. That when Aryans came, they brought to India a way of culture, a way of living, their dressing style, their food style, their religion, their the way of talking, their art, everything they brought to India. That is known as a culture. As we say, Indian culture is different, foreign culture is another one. Okay, it is clear. Then, how could we know about the Harappan civilization? How could we know about this Harappan civilization? So we get knowledge about the history through various sources. Okay, so there are primary and secondary sources are there, but here how could we get knowledge about the Harappan civilization? It is mainly through the archaeological remains, especially buildings, pottery, seals and their construction works and some other things. Okay, we get knowledge about Harappan civilization through the archaeological remains that are remaining till in the same places. Okay, hope that it is clear. So what are the main sources of what are the main archaeological remains of Harappan culture that are existing till now, that are existing? Okay, the first one is the Great Bath. Okay, the first one is the Great Bath. What it is? We can call it as it's a type of swimming pool. Okay, it's a swimming pool, and it is known as the largest building of Mohenjo-daro. The largest building in the Mohenjo-daro, and what is the shape of this? It's a rectangular tank. 2 flights of steps used to burn the bricks, bitumen and gypsum. Adjacent room there are nearby there are rooms are there. What is the importance? Why this Great Bath is important? Okay, because it shows the art of building. Okay, the art of construction. It shows the capacities of art of construction. That means it tells us that there was a ruling class who guided the people to build this. Okay, then was the religion was there, then efficient planning. This all, the Great Bath shows these qualities of Harappan people. What are the qualities? They were well equipped with art construction. Then there was a ruling class. There was a religion. Mainly it is said that this Great Bath is mainly used for a religious purpose. Okay, then efficient planning they were having. Okay, then next important area was the citadel. What is the citadel? It is a raised area made of mud and bricks. What is? It's a raised area made of mud and bricks. Mainly this area. This is the place. Citadel was a raised area. Mainly this area comprised of houses of ruling class. Okay, and some important other buildings were there. And it also shows that elaborate planning. They were having a clear planning about how a town should be. And it also shows that there was social classification in the community. That means as we had Brahmana, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, here also there was social classification. That's why the ruling class houses were on the top of the hill or the top of the area. Okay, others were, the local people were living downside. So there was an efficient planning. The second feature or second source is known as the citadel. First source we discussed, that is the Great Bath. Second one is the citadel. Now we are moving to the third source. How could we know about the Harappan people? That is seals. These are the seals, different seals that they used. Okay, and it shows the artistic skill because they were well versed in art. So that only they could make these such a kind of seals. And over 2000 seals have been discovered. How many seals were we discovered? Around 2000 seals. Okay, and what materials they used to make these seals? It is terracotta, steatite and agate. These are the shape. What is the shape of the seal? It is rectangular, square and circular. Then through these seals, what information we get? The information about script, religion, trade and beliefs. We get information that there was script. That means they used to write. Written script was there. Then there was religion because the symbols they are using, it was mainly related to their religion. And it was trade. Many of the places or the papers they were used or the things they were using, we could see this seal. Okay, so there were trade. The same seals were found in different places. That means they came through the trade and their beliefs. Then seals used for stamping goods, the things that they were selling. The seal was there on the items. Okay, this is the third one, and the fourth one is the bearded man. Discovered from Mohenjo-daro. Okay, this statue is discovered from Mohenjo-daro, and it says that it is a statue of a yogi, and it shows that it has a high artistic value. That means it speaks indirectly that there were skilled people, skilled artisans who can create statues. Okay, and the next point is dancing girl. Another one important feature is another one important source is the dancing girl. That is founded. This also found in Mohenjo-daro, and it shows the development of art and sculpture features. What are the features of this? Shows vigor, variety and ingenuity. Right arm rests on the hip, left arm heavily bangled and hold a small bowl. Here it's a bowl. So this all shows that they were well versed with art and craft work. Who? The people of Mohenjo-daro, that means Harappan civilization people, they were well versed with artistic work. And another one is dockyard. What is a dockyard? Dockyard is normally, as we say, it's a harbor where the ship and boat comes. What is the shape of this? Is already you know this. It is given in the picture. It is rectangular in shape. Found in Lothal. Where it is found? It is found in Gujarat, a place named Lothal. Surrounded by massive brick wall protection against flood. It was surrounded by a brick wall. That means to protect from flood. It was made up of baked bricks, connected by the channels to the Gulf of Bombay. Okay, an important manufacturing trading center of Indus Valley civilization. Through this area, the trade was done. This was the main center of trade, because there were sea trade was there, and that's why the reason is this was the main center of trade. Dockyard is called, we can say, the shipyard or harbor as per today's concept. And next one, script, the language they were using. The main script that it was like pictures. They were using symbols. See this. These are the symbols. The symbols they were using. Their script, they did not have a R or A. They were using instead of these pictures to demonstrate things. Signs represents. So these pictures or signs represent birds, fish, variety of human form. Number almost 375 to 400 signs they were using. Script inscribed on seals, copper tools, rings of jars, terracotta tablets, jewelry, etc. They were using these scripts on various places. On seal it was found, on copper tools, rings of jars, terracotta tablets, on jewelry. All these script we could see. Okay, and now we are coming to the end of the first part. Here I will give you chapter 1, the same chapters, question answers from 1 to 4. Okay, from 1 to 4. First question is, name the 2 important sources of information about the Harappan civilization. Name 2 important sources of information about Harappan civilization. Okay, so through this slide I will show you. See, the source, first answer is this. Okay, sources. What are the sources? We can say the sources. One is answer number 1. It is Great Bath. Okay, there are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So you can write answer number 1, the Great Bath, and the second one is the Citadel. Okay, the same answer it is. Answer number 1 it is. Name 2 important sources information about Harappan civilization. One is the Great Bath, second one is Citadel. I think it is clear. Now we will move to the second one. Name one important public building of Indus Valley civilization and its importance. Okay, name one important public building of Indus Valley civilization and its importance. So this you can use as an answer. Second answer also this you can use. What is an important building? The important building of Mohenjo-daro or Indus Valley civilization is Great Bath. It is the largest building. You can write this answer. This complete slide you can write as point wise. Okay, and here it is given. What is the importance of the Great Bath? Answer 2 it is. Okay, it shows art of building, existence of a ruling class, religious purpose. It is used for religious purpose, efficient planning. So this you can write as the second answer. Okay, this you can write as the second answer. Now give any 2 characteristics. Third one, give any 2 characteristics of features of the Citadel. Okay, here it is third again it comes. Answer 3, what are the characteristic features of Citadel? It shows elaborate planning and it shows there was social classification. Okay, that is the answer number 3. Okay, it shows that even you can write, even the textbook page number 7 on the top part it is given there. It shows elaborate planning, development of cities. Okay, and there was social classification. So you can write this point wise the features of or the importance of this public building. Okay, this is the answer for answer number 3. So we can see now the fourth question. How were the seals used? Okay, how were the seals used? What information do they give about the Harappan culture or the Harappan trade? The question is about the Harappan trade. So in the page number 7, on page number 7, the last part the answer is given. So here it is, the seals were found in various places. The answer is given there. The seals were found in the last left side paragraph, last one, just above that picture. The seals were found in different regions. This indicates that the Harappan trade had spread over a vast area. Okay, that is the fourth answer. Hope that all answers are clear for you. You write in your own words your answers point wise. There is no problem. Don't worry about the answers. Okay, don't worry about the answers. If you have textbook, you write that. Otherwise, in the next video or the last video, I will give all the question answers. Clear? Thank you.